up, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have DAX here with a song called Depression. So it's a cool melody here, which you're gonna look at, and this strumming pattern with an easy chord progression. So let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this, so that's great. And we'll look at the chords first. The first one will be the F major 7. All right, so that is third on D, second on G, first on B, and open E. And then the next chord will be a G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, open B this time, because we have the melody here with open B later, and then the third E. And then we had a final chord, the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, so that is the chord progression. F major 7, G, and A minor. Okay, so we'll look at the melody first, and we'll start with the part that builds upon the F major chord. So we're gonna play this part. Okay, so the easiest way is to hold the chord grip as it is. So we're gonna play first the 3rd fret D string together with first B and open E. So play all these 3 strings or notes picked together like this. Then you're gonna add the 3rd fret E string here. So I use my little pinky to go down here. And you're gonna hit the 1st fret B string together with this 3rd fret E string. And then you play the 1st fret B string together with open E string. And then you play the 3rd fret D string. Then 3rd fret B string. And back to 3rd D string. That's it for the F major. So slowly, like this. So again. That's the tempo. All right. Then we move on to the G-based notes here. And here you're gonna play first the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with the open G and open B. And that's the reason for why we have the chord later on when we're gonna look at the strumming with the open B, since we have the notes here. So 3rd E with open G and open B. And then you play the open D. And then open G. And that's it. So. And then we have the final part left based upon the A minor. Sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna start to pick the open A together with 2nd G and 1st B. Then you play the 2nd D. And then you finish off with the 1st B string and 3rd B string. And this last thing here, 1st B to 3rd B, I use the hammer-on technique there. So I pick the 1st B string there with my right hand, and then I just use my little pinky to hammer on the 3rd B string. Like this. So only one pick with my right hand for these 2 notes. Some technical stuff there. And that's it actually. So I'm gonna play this through for you slowly one round first, and then take it up to some standard tempo on the next round. So let's go. And 2 rounds of it in the standard tempo, and that will work through the entire song. Now you can also go to the strumming. All right, so it's of course based upon the same chords there, F major, G, and A minor. So we're gonna look at this strumming pattern. It will be divided in 2 different parts, because you're gonna play 1 full strumming round for F, and then you're gonna split on this strumming pattern between the next 2 chords. The G will play part 1 and the A minor part 2. So we need to see the different parts here as well. Okay, so we're gonna go for this F major. It's the chord that we're gonna use 1 full strumming pattern for. So the first part will be down, down, up, clap. Okay, so that's it. That's the first part. So down, down, up, clap. Okay, and then the next part, the part 2, will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So down first, and then a short break, and then down, up, clap, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. That is 1 full round. So you're gonna play this chord progression with F 1 full round, then you're gonna switch to G and play the part 1, the down, down, up, clap, and then you fulfill it with this A minor and play part 2, down, down, up, clap, down, up. All right, so slowly 1 chord progression will sound like this with strumming. And in a couple of rounds of standard tempo, it will be like this. That's it, my friends. DAX depression. So good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.